Let's now go to identification of patterns. Let's discuss clinical manifestations of exterior patterns. When an exterior pathogenic factor invades skin and muscles, it gives rise to a typical set of symptoms and signs which are described as an exterior pattern. It is difficult to generalize as to what these symptoms and signs are, as it depends on the other characters, that is, whether they are of the cold or hot type, and the empty or full type. However, fever and aversion to cold occurring simultaneously always indicate an invasion of exterior pathogenic factor. Aversion to cold indicates the sudden chilliness that occurs when we fall ill with a cold or other acute exterior diseases. This is a subjective feeling of cold. Fever does not necessarily indicate an actual fever, but rather the objective feeling of the heat of the patient's body on palpation. Generally speaking, we can say that the main symptoms of an exterior pattern are fever, aversion to cold, aching body, a stiff neck, and a floating pulse. The onset is acute, and the correct treatment will usually induce a swift and marked improvement of the condition. Here, the summary of the manifestations: aversion to cold, fever, aching body, a stiff neck, and a floating pulse. If the condition is one of cold, such as wind cold, the symptoms are a slight fever, pronounced aversion to cold, severe aches in the body, severe stiff neck, no sweating, no thirst, a floating tight pulse, and the thin, white tongue coating. In summary, the slight fever, pronounced aversion to cold, severe aches in the body, severe stiff neck, no sweating, no thirst, a floating tight pulse, and a thin white tongue coating. If the condition is one of heat, such as wind heat, the symptoms are fever, aversion to cold, slight sweating, thirst, a floating rapid pulse, a thin white coating, and sometimes redness on the tongue, on the sides and or front. In this case, the body aches are not so pronounced. To summarize, the aversion to cold fever, slight sweating, thirst, a floating rapid pulse, a thin white tongue coating, and sometimes redness of the tongue and on the sides and our front. The main factors of differentiating the hot or cold character of an exterior pattern are thirst or hot, or its absence is cold, tight or cold, or rapid hot pulse. Thank you for your attention.